the voice of ATMAN, the still small voice of your conscience, the voice within, your true voice, the voice of your soul, undistorted, the undistorted, clear conduit to source that communicates your source energy that is alive within you. The voice of ATMAN is your true voice. And it is the Lisan al-Gaib, the voice from the outer world. It is your true voice. It is the same voice that the Lord spoke to Elijah. God did not speak to the prophet Elijah through signs of fires, earthquakes, and other such grand calamities, dramatic instances. No, he spoke in a still, small voice. The voice from the outer world, your true voice, not your worldly voice. Your discernment is achieved through the power of your heart. When you decide upon a course of action, when your voice, your true voice, the voice from the outer world, that still small voice that speaks within you, when it engages your heart complex, when you are firing on all cylinders, so to speak, when you are inflamed with the truth of what that voice is telling you, that is your true voice. It is not your worldly voice. The voice of ATMAN, the Hindu term for your true self, your soul, your God self, your spirit self. When the voice of ATMAN speaks loudly within you, it will quell, it will silence, it will eviscerate the worldly voice of the ego. It is easy to discern between your God voice, your true voice, your ATMAN voice, your soul voice, versus your worldly ego voice. Your ego voice will just play illusions with you. It will lead you down a path that will not engage you on all of your bodies, your causal, your subtle bodies. When your subtle bodies are in alignment, are integrated with the voice within, your true voice, you will feel that, you will discern that, because it will be an energy that arises throughout all of who you are. Your physical genetic vehicle will be inflamed with the energy of the true voice that speaks through your heart. That is the gateway to the higher worlds. If your heart is engaged by your voice, by the ATMAN voice, that is your true voice. Your worldly ego voice, it may speak to other energies within you, your survival energies, your sexual energies, your ego energies, those three chakras. And that's fine, and that gets you to a certain point. But to truly arise, to truly ascend, you must be listening to that voice from the outer world, your voice of ATMAN, your true voice. And so it is. Namaste, namaskaram.